Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how to check the transmission fluid level in an Isuzu vehicle with the 4L30E transmission. In this case, it is my 2001 Isuzu Rodeo. So to do this, we are going to need to have the vehicle level, and we will need a 19mm socket and wrench to remove the fill plug underneath the vehicle and the transmission, and we will need a catch basin to catch any fluid that may have run out. So I'm going to get myself repositioned, and then we'll need to crawl underneath the vehicle.
Alright, so we're under the vehicle now, and this right here is the transmission fill plug, and that's also what we need to remove to check the fluid level. So this requires a 19mm socket, and basically the idea is that we need to have the transmission fluid at between 90 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit, and we need the vehicle to be nice and level. So once we have met those two requirements, we can crawl back under here and remove the fill plug, and we're going to need to put a catch basin underneath here to catch any fluid that runs out. And ideally, when your temperature is between 90 and 135 degrees Fahrenheit, you will see a little bit of fluid run out from the fill plug hole. If you remove the plug and no fluid runs out, and you've confirmed that you are in the right operating temperature range, then you need to add fluid. So let me go ahead and get my catch basin under here. We're going to start the vehicle, let it warm up for a little bit, and check the temperature of the fluid. And then once we're in the right range, we will remove the fill plug. So I will be right back.
Alright, so now we have the vehicle running up to operating temperature. You want to make sure that the fluid is between 90 degrees Fahrenheit and 135 degrees Fahrenheit. I like to use an infrared thermometer to do that. Just measure the temperature of the bottom of the drain pan. So with the fill plug open at operating temperature, you should see fluid dripping out, as you see here. If you don't, then you need to add a little bit of fluid. Leave the vehicle running, just squirt a little bit of fluid up in there, and continue to add it until it drains out. To add it, I like to, what I've been doing is putting a gear oil bottle on top of the transmission fluid bottle, and that allows you to squirt it up into the fill hole with pretty good control. I ended up not making too much of a mess. The stuff you see drained out here is when it started to flow back out. So anyway, we're at the correct level now. I can go ahead and put the fill plug back on. If you don't have fluid running out when you get the fluid to operating temperature, obviously you just need to add fluid until it runs out. Then you know you're at the correct level and you put the plug back in. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks for watching.